I have some friends, they love to do fashion and styling, but unfortunately they have gained some tummy fat and that's why they did lots of workout but still they didn't get any results. So ultimately they give up with their fashion and styling because they think that now they won't look gorgeous, they won't look sexy or hot or beautiful with their tummy fat. But let me tell you one thing guys, it's wrong. It's not like that. Still you can look gorgeous, still you can look sexy, hot or beautiful with your tummy fat. And for that you just need to have right knowledge that what you can wear and what you can't wear. So in this video I will give you 9 tips that how you can look sexy or gorgeous with your tummy fat instantly. So are you excited for that? Then say yes in my comment, and also I'm gonna give you some bonus tips. So like this video and let's start. Okay. Number 1, skin fitted dresses. Please don't wear any kind of body hugging dresses or tight fitted dresses. Otherwise your fat will be clearly visible and ultimately it will be the center of attraction. So please avoid it, especially t-shirt. Don't wear this, okay? And try to wear proper fitted dresses and you will look so good. Try this. So number 2, dark colors. If you really want to hide your tummy fat, then I suggest go for dark colors like black, navy blue, dark violet, because this will help you to create an illusion of a smaller frame and ultimately you will look slim. So go for dark colors. Number 3, layering. Trust me guys, layering is really good option for you and it works so well, and for that you can use blazer, jacket, shrug or cardigan. Like you can wear your high waist denim with blazer or jacket, or maybe your dress with blazer and shrug, and you will look so good, so slim. Try this, okay? And also you can do lots of experiment with layering, so just go for it, okay? So number 4, do something that will draw the attention away from your tummy, and for that you can wear very good high heels or necklace, or maybe you can create very good attractive eye makeup look, or also you can go for very good hairstyle, and people will be busy to see your other features and they will forget about your tummy fat. So don't forget to follow these tips and it's really helpful. So just try this, okay? So number 5, prints. If you like to wear prints, then I suggest just go for smaller prints because it will help you to look slim, and please forget about bigger prints. Otherwise it will highlight your tummy. So please forget about that. So number 6, skirt. For skirt, try to wear high waist flowy skirt because it will help you to hide your tummy fat, and please don't wear any kind of pencil skirt. Otherwise it will highlight your tummy areas and ultimately you will look bad. So please forget about that. So number 7, stripe. I must say one thing, vertical stripe is the best option for you because it will help you to look taller, slim and fit, and obviously it will help you to hide your tummy fat. So just go for it. But always remember one thing, stripe should be narrow, not big, okay? Then you will get results. So just go for it. So number 8, high waist. If you love to wear denim or trousers or pants, then I suggest just go for high waist because it will help you to create an illusion and ultimately you will get a well defined waistline. And don't wear any kind of low waist trousers or denim or pants, okay? So please avoid it. So number 9, shapewear. Honey, if you wanna go for any kind of special occasion like parties, weddings or date or something else, then that time you should wear shapewear because this is really great option for you. It will help you to hide your tummy instantly and instantly you will look so sexy and so hot. And I know it's little uncomfortable, but you know it's very effective. So you should try this. So now I'm gonna give you some bonus tips. So tips number 1, try to wear asymmetrical tops and dresses because simply it will draw the attention away from your tummy. So tips number 2, set dress. Try to wear set dress because this is really great option for you and it will help you to hide your tummy. Number 3, always try to use belt in your underbust area. Number 4, always try to use slim belt, don't use any kind of bigger belts. Also you can wear peplum top, draped dress, maxi dress or tunic top. There is lots of option and you can do lots of experiment with your options. So just go for it. And if you are Indian, then I must tell you sari is really great option for you, and also you can try side slit kurti. So finally, you know what you can wear and what you can't. So follow all those tips and definitely you will get results. But I would like to suggest you one thing. Do some diet, do some workout, and that will help you to heal your tummy fat. And don't forget to subscribe my channel because my next video will be so interesting. So do subscribe and do like this video and wait for my next video.